Hello everybody. In the earlier video, we saw how to set up Spring Boot application and how to get started, and also we saw the actuator and their primary endpoints. So now in this video, we will learn how to create our own API endpoints just like the actuator. So here you can see we have an URI pattern where this is our server and it is running in the port 8080 and followed by the actuator. It is a base. So within this particular base we have a endpoints, the child endpoints. So this is a base of it. Okay. So now we will see how to add one more layer to this particular URL, meaning here we are not explicitly specifying our application name, though we have specified the application name in our application parameter, but we are not setting the context. Okay, let's set the context to our application. Context meaning, so we are running a demo application, but in our URL it is nowhere saying a demo. It's like a fancy application name. So in our perspective it is a demo. Okay, so here I wanted to run application something like demo then slash. So this demo represents the name to our application. So we need to set this as a context, as a starting point, as a base to whatever the sub base that application provides. So now I'll go to IntelliJ. Okay, this is our application. I'll open property file. Okay, so here we have a Spring application name provided, but this is not going to help in any way. So we need to set the server context path in order to get that particular name during calling any certain API using our application. Okay, so to do that, you can take server.servlet.context-path. So this is the key where you need to set the application name. You can simply say demo, okay, slash -app. Okay, here the only condition is that your name must start with a slash, else your server will not come up. Okay, demo app. Okay, I will save this, then I will restart the application. Okay, now you can see the Tomcat started 8080 with the context path slash demo. Now if you go back to the browser, okay, and refresh, okay, it's not found. We will remove this demo. We'll try with the older version of actuator slash env. Refresh it. It's not coming. Now we will add the actual demo -app. It's not coming because we are missing a slash here. App slash actuator. Now you can see we are able to point to the base version of actuator using our primary context name. Okay, so with this context we will start building our own API similar to that of actuator. To do that, you just need a class. I'll go back to the IntelliJ. Okay, so before we even get started with the controller class, I want to introduce you to Postman. Either you can go ahead and create account, or if you already possess one, you can log in, or if you don't want to do anything, you just continue without an account. Click on it. It will give you interface something like this. Okay, so now here I will just provide the URL. I'll copy directly from here. Okay, so copy this, come back here, I'll paste here and send. Now you can see this is giving me a pretty view of the content that you see in the browser. So the response that I received here in the browser is exactly the same with much prettier version in the Postman. The Postman is a tool where you can test out your controller API, RESTful API. Okay, so now we have a Postman and we made sure that our existing default APIs are working, and yeah, we are pretty good with this.